Hi everyone. 5 years ago, I made a video about a geometrical eye. While it's still relevant, I have to admit it was not the easiest to follow. After a lot of trial and error, I think I have finally simplified the process and I want to share it with you. So let's dive into this video. To begin, first step one, we will start with a perfect circle. This will be our foundation. You don't need to measure the circumference for this, but just for a reference, I'm using 4.5 centimeter as a radius. After this, we need to define a key points around the circle. Start by placing your compass at any point on a circle as seen in this video. Notice that I haven't changed the compass length. Once you trace the first point, find the central between these points. We will label them as point A and point B as shown. Once the center is found, label that point as point C. We will now have a 3 point as A, C and B. Next, we will find the middle point between A and C and B and C. This gives us a total of 5 key points. For our step 3, we will use these 5 points to draw a series of circles all around the foundational circle. Follow closely in the video so you don't get confused. As you see, I am simultaneously drawing a circle, making each circle as a new base for another one. In total, we will draw 24 circles all around. Once the foundation is set, we will use a black marker to outline everything. I'm just following my previous circle with a black marker. Here you will notice small intersection around the geometrical shape. This will serve as a point to separate each layer of geometrical eye. We will once again take our compass and start tracing this intersection so that an individual layer is formed. Finally, in the last step, we focus on a specific part of the drawing. Look for inverted triangle in each layer and set it in. that's it. We have completed our geometrical eyes step by step. I really hope that this simplified version has made it easier for you to follow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorial like this. And feel free to share your creation in the comments. I would love to see them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.